देखी जो नब्ज़ मेरी हंस कर वो हकीम बोला, जाओ जमा लो महफिल पुराने दोस्तों के साथ, तुम्हारे हर दर्द की दवा वही हैं, दोस्तों से रिश्ते रखा करो जनाब। ये वो हकीम हैं जो अल्फाज से इलाज करते हैं, उम्र की चादर खींच कर उतार देते हैं। ये कमबख्त दोस्त कभी बूढ़ा नहीं होने देते। बच्चे वसीयत पूछते हैं, रिश्ते हैसियत पूछते हैं। वो दोस्त ही हैं जो आपकी खैरियत पूछते हैं। कैसे हो जनाब?
Happy birthday, Subhash bhai. Many, many happy returns of the day. God bless you with lots and lots of prosperity and happiness.
Subhash, happy birthday. Many, many happy returns of the day. Special wishes on achieving 75-year milestone. I remember that we have now known each other for almost 4 decades. We met in 82, I think, to start with. And remembering our association of 40 years and not talking of Renuji will not be fair. You both have been like a family to us, a very nice couple, and Renuji's help in making us settle down in Gurgaon can never be forgotten. It has left a long imprint in our memory. You have played a very active and creative role in the JGF get-togethers. We wish you a long life. We wish you a healthy life. We wish you an active life. Be happy, be healthy, and keep smiling always.
Subhash bhai, आप जियो हजारों साल साल
के दिन हो हजारों साल 50,000 वाह वाह हैप्पी बर्थडे
A happy birthday to you. A happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Subhash. Happy birthday to you. Subhash, you are one of the most valued and gifted members of our group. May you have a long and happy life, and may you always remain in our group the same way as you are now. Bye-bye and a happy birthday again.
Hi Subhash, congratulations on your 75th birthday. 7.5 decades is incredibly good. Enjoy every moment of it.
Happy 75th birthday to our great friend Subhash, whose presence makes Jolly Goodfellows a more beautiful, entertaining and a creative place. Thank you for making happiness a part of our hearts.
Subhash, you are the fulcrum around whom Jolly Goodfellows revolves. You are our hero. And there is one song I recall where the hero sings on his birthday. We're going to present to you one stanza out of that song. Ready? 1, 2. सुनो किसी शायर ने ये कहा बहुत खूब, मना करे दुनिया लेकिन मेरे महबूब, वो छलक जाता है जो पैमाना होता है, हर खुशी से हर गम से बेगाना होता है. Cheers! Cheers, Subhash. Have a great birthday.
And many, many, many happy returns.
And see you at 80.
Congratulations, Subhaji, on reaching this landmark 75 years of your age, and the way you have done it, we would really love to see you continuing the same way, helping others and doing it so well.
साल भर में सबसे प्यारा होता है एक दिन, 100 दुआएं दे रहा दिल तुमको आज के दिन. I wish you happy
Happy birthday, Subhash. God bless you.
Very, very happy birthday for you to reach the landmark of 75.
Without our friends, life would be very dull. It is a wonderful thing when people from different backgrounds can come together and become friends. Without friends, without friendship, we can feel very lost. Some of our friends carry similar personalities and interests to us, and others the complete opposite. Whatever the friendship combination, it is always important to nourish the connection. There is no better day than a birthday to celebrate, and still better day is when you cross a landmark that is 75 years which you have done today. All the best. Let the coming year be very good and very best for you. Take care. God bless.
Once again, happy birthday.
Hello, Subhash.
Subhash, you are a dependable friend. We congratulate you on attaining a very important milestone of your lifespan, that is 75th birthday. Congratulations. We always relish your innovative ideas, your organization skill, and helping attitude always. I very well remember the audio rehearsals in the night time we had during a kitty at your home, plus the innovative ideas about the Tambola we always relish. Please continue doing this. Happy birthday.
Happy 75th, Subhash. It's an outstanding day in your life. We will celebrate it later, don't worry. You are my city mate, my schoolmate. That way you are my previous friend. You are our darling, we love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Subhash. बार बार दिन ये आए, 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 दिए हजारों साल मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, Subhash, happy birthday to you.
Hi Bashi, if I remember correctly, our association is since 1987 when you rejoined Sri Ram Pistons. I have sweet memories of traveling together on company's job, company's work, on tours, and you have always been a very good company. I have always found to be very helpful in nature. I have known Bashi for more than 3 decades. He is a very gem of a person and a good friend we can always trust. Besides, Bashi is John of our Jolly Good Fellow Club.
Okay. Hi Subhash. I wish you a very, very happy 75th birthday. Today, I thank you from the bottom of my heart for introducing us to this group, Jolly Good Fellows. Had it not been for your persuasion, we would never have been a part of this group and missed so much in life. You are the heartthrob of this group. You make all events and outings just perfect with your innovative ideas. For us, as far as Renu is concerned, we have never felt her absence in this group because you have made her presence felt in every possible way, as if she is by your side always. On your 75th birthday, you shine like a bright diamond and a twinkling star. God bless you and your family. So, once again, a very, very happy birthday to you.
Always stay blessed.
Thank you.
Happy birthday just for you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Just another year, but in our eyes you are
Subhash, happy birthday. I can say so many adjectives, but I remember only few right now. First you, JP. You.
Subhash, you are very dependable, very creative, very innovative.
सारे आप बोल दोगे, मैं क्या बोलूँगी?
You are tech savvy, wonderful person.
We are so happy that we met you after shifting to Gurgaon. You are adorable, Subhash. You are great friend. Rest adjectives I forgot. We'll celebrate once lockdown is out, finish, then we'll celebrate your birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Hello Subhash, a very small message for you from both of us. Today's 3rd May will be a very very auspicious day, your 75th birthday, a landmark birthday. मैं सिर्फ 4 लाइन तुम्हारे लिए कहना चाहूँगी, बाकी सब अशोक कहेंगे. मुस्कान का कोई मोल नहीं होता, मुस्कान का कोई मोल नहीं होता, कुछ रिश्तों का कोई तोल नहीं होता. दोस्त तो मिल जाते हैं हर रास्ते पर, दोस्त तो मिल जाते हैं हर रास्ते पर, लेकिन हर कोई आपकी तरह अनमोल नहीं होता. सुभाष, विश यू अ वेरी वेरी हैप्पी 75th बर्थडे.
चलो आओ चलें यादों के आसमान में, चलो आओ चलें यादों के आसमान में, हैं लगे मुझे आज दोस्ती के पर. सुभाष, wish you very happy birthday. It's your special day. You deserve to enjoy every moment of it. You have brought so many nostalgic memories in our life, whether it is our first overseas trip for all of us with Renu, or trips to Alaska, South Africa, Bhutan, Japan, Goa, Pune and so many other places. They all have brought happiness in our life. I wish your birthday brings you everything you are dreaming of. As you celebrate the joy of 75th birthday, may you be surrounded by love and happiness. Thank you for being in our life and our friend. Wish you very, very, very happy birthday. Thank you.
Thank you.
Today is the perfect day to tell
that you are nothing less than
one of our family member.
You may not be the only friend we have,
But you are definitely the only friend we need.
A very happy 75th birthday. God bless you with a
happy
good,
and healthy
life. ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे, तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे. ये दोस्ती वाट लग गई है तो क्या, वाट लग गई है तो क्या, चल ठाठ से जीते हैं, चल दोस्त दारू पीते हैं.
फिर से सजाए, फिर से सजाए जेब जी की महफिल, चल खिलखिलाते हैं, चल दोस्त दारू पीते हैं, चल दोस्त दारू पीते हैं.
We'll definitely celebrate your birthday after the lockout is over.
Hi Subhash, how are you?
Good evening, Subhash. Good evening.
Happy birthday to you. It's the 75th birthday of yours. And we are going to celebrate like hangama. सुभाष भाई क्या पिला रहे हो आज 75वें सालगिरह पे?
प्रिंसी तुम्हारा तो विस्की सोडा सेट है. उषा तुम बताओ आज क्या पियोगे मेरे इस जन्मदिन पर?
सुभाष ऐसा है, मैं हमेशा या तो वो पीती हूँ लेमन सोडा या मैं ब्रीजर पीती हूँ. आज तो बड़ा स्पेशल डे है, मैं ब्रीजर नहीं पीऊंगी, मैं तो आज विस्की पीऊंगी.
ओह वाह,
अरे क्या बात है. ये लो प्रिंसी तुम्हारा विस्की सोडा. ये लो उषा तुम्हारी विस्की.
Cheers.
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 God bless both of
birthday
you.
to you, Subhash.
From both of us, God bless you. May live long. Your children should thrive in life. They should enjoy, and you should also enjoy. Cheers.
Cheers. God bless you, Subhash.
What? दो लाइनें सुभाष गुनगुनाऊंगा तुम्हारी दोस्ती के लिए.
हमारी दोस्ती
हमारी दोस्ती के लिए. यारा तेरी यारी को मैंने खुदा माना, यारा तेरी यारी को मैंने खुदा माना, याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा अफसाना, याद करेगी दुनिया अरे तेरा मेरा अफसाना.
सुभाष तुम्हारी हमारी इतना अच्छा रैपो है कि तुम्हारी वजह से हमने बहुत कुछ घूम लिया. हर ट्रिप तुम प्लान करते हो. हमने जापान, अलास्का, साउथ अफ्रीका, पूना, महाबलेश्वर और गोवा तो हम बहुत दफे गए. और तुम हर चीज़ इतने अच्छे से प्लान करते हो और ख़ासकर मेरी तो तुम बहुत ही केयर करते हो कि मुझे ज़्यादा चलना ना पड़े या कुछ ना होना पड़े. उसके लिए तुम्हें बहुत बहुत थैंक्स. यू आर ए ग्रेट पर्सन सुभाष. यू आर वेरी नाइस पर्सन.
सुभाष मैं सिर्फ इतना कह सकता हूँ तो तुम जियो हजारों साल के दिन हो, 50,000. आपके बच्चे खुश रहे, आप खुश रहो, फलते फूलते रहो और मेरे जैसी उम्र पाओ और खाते पीते रहो.
इसी तरह से लाइफ एंजॉय करते रहो और दोस्तों को याद करते रहो.
इससे बड़ी बात क्या.
और प्रिंसी उषा आज डांस नहीं करोगे?
क्यों नहीं करेंगे यार. तो म्यूजिक लगाओ. लाइक म्यूजिक ऑन.
दीवाना क्या कहेगा, क्या कहेगा.
देखी जो नब्ज मेरी हंस कर वो हकीम बोला, जाओ जमा लो महफिल पुराने दोस्तों के साथ, तुम्हारे हर दर्द की दवा वही हैं, दोस्तों से रिश्ते रखा करो जनाब। ये वो हकीम हैं जो अल्फाज से इलाज करते हैं, उम्र की चादर खींच कर उतार देते हैं। ये कमबख्त दोस्त कभी बूढ़ा नहीं होने देते। बच्चे वसीयत पूछते हैं, रिश्ते हैसियत पूछते हैं। वो दोस्त ही हैं जो आपकी खैरियत पूछते हैं। कैसे हो जनाब?